Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a landing page. A landing page is a unique web page created for a specific marketing or advertising campaign. Its main purpose is to convert visitors into leads or customers by guiding them towards a single, clear action. Unlike a traditional website homepage, a landing page intentionally removes distractions, ensuring visitors focus on the desired objective, whether it's signing up for a newsletter or making a purchase. It's all about focused conversion. Every effective landing page relies on several key elements to succeed. First, a compelling headline is crucial. It's the first thing visitors see and must immediately communicate value. Next, clear and concise copy should highlight the benefits of your offer, directly addressing potential customer pain points. A strong call to action, or CTA, is vital, clearly telling users what to do next. Finally, high-quality visuals, such as engaging images or short videos, significantly enhance understanding and keep visitors engaged. To truly maximize your landing page effectiveness, optimization is key. Regularly, /B test different elements, like your headlines or call-to-action buttons, to see what resonates best with your audience. Always ensure your page is fully responsive for mobile devices, providing a smooth experience for everyone. When collecting information, reduce form fields to only the absolute essentials. Studies show that forms with just 3 fields can achieve a 25% conversion rate. Also, incorporate social proof, such as customer testimonials, to build trust. Measuring your landing page's performance is crucial for continuous improvement. Track key metrics such as conversion rate, bounce rate, and the average time visitors spend on your page. Analyzing this user behavior helps identify areas needing improvement. Based on this data, continuously iterate on your landing page's design and content. While conversion rates vary, a successful landing page often achieves a rate between 2 and 5%, with top performers reaching 10% or more. Consistent monitoring and adjustments will lead to better results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.